Hello everyone, welcome to the 100 Day Spanish Challenge by Touri. I'm Mark, and this is day 20 of the challenge. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can find the link down below to join the challenge and follow along. Now I'm going to start by saying the word in Spanish at a normal pace, the masculine and feminine form, and then I'll break it down into syllables, followed by the English translation and a couple of example sentences. Let's get started. Number 191. Número 191. Leche. 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 Milk. I prefer my coffee with almond milk rather than cow's milk. Prefiero el café con leche de almendras que leche de vaca. Number 192. Número 192. Lechuga. Leh-choo-gah. Lechuga. Lettuce. I bought lettuce at the market to make a salad for dinner. Compré lechuga en el mercado para hacer ensalada para la cena. Number 193. Número 193. Leer. 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 To read. You should read the complete works of Shakespeare. Deberías leer las obras completas de Shakespeare. Number 194. Número 194. Legumbre. 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 Legume or vegetable. Pedro grows vegetables in his garden to feed his rabbits. Pedro cultiva legumbres en su jardín para alimentar a sus conejos. Number 195. Número 195. Lejos de. Lejos de. Lejos de. Far. My house is far away from yours. Mi casa está lejos de la tuya. Number 196. Número 196. Lentillas. 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 Contact lenses. Alejandra couldn't put her contact lenses in today because her eyes are very irritated. Alejandra no se pudo poner las lentillas hoy porque tiene los ojos muy irritados. Number 197. Número 197. León. 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 Lion. We could hear the lions roar outside our tent in South Africa. Podíamos oír los leones rugir afuera de nuestra tienda de campaña en Sudáfrica. Number 198. Número 198. Líquido. 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 Liquid. If you have a sore throat, you should drink a lot of liquid. Si te duele la garganta, conviene que tomes mucho líquido. Number 199. Número 199. Liso. Lisa. Liso. Liso. Smooth. Baby's skin is smooth and soft. La piel de los bebés es lisa y suave. Number 200. Número 200. Lista. 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 List. Just buy what is on the list. Solo compra lo que está en la lista. The best way to learn this material is through repetition, memorization, and conversation. If you'd like to practice your newly learned vocabulary, Touri offers live, fun, and immersive one-on-one online language lessons with native instructors at nearly any time of the day. Check out touri.co, or you can follow the link down below. Until next time, adios.